Bring it back.
Good morning, Panthers, and welcome to the WPNN. My name is Sophia.
And my name is Elena. It's a wonderful day to be a Panther.
Panthers, the track and field team will be having a mandatory meeting for all freshmen who would like to join the team. This meeting will be this Thursday, the 19th, after school. That is in 2 days.
The girls' meeting will take place in Coach Trotman's room 5106. The boys' meeting will take place in Coach Benson's room 6110.
Students, are you interested in soccer? Boys soccer tryouts are today and tomorrow at Palm Bay Regional Park, next to our school. Tryouts will be from 4:15 to 5:30. To try out, you must be cleared by Coach Stengel prior to the tryouts day. Please see him in room 6111 as soon as possible to make sure you're eligible to participate.
Panthers, would you like to purchase the yearbook this school year? Don't miss out on your chance to capture the memories of the school year. Don't wait. Order now during the fall early bird discount. Only $75 to order online at buytheyearbook.com.
Seniors, have you come up with a senior quote yet? Make sure that you get your senior quote to a member of Yearbook during all 3 lunches. The cost is $2 for your quote.
Also, seniors, now is the time for all your loved ones to purchase a senior ad that will go into the yearbook. Your family or friends can purchase a full, half, quarter, or eighth page ad to appear in this year's yearbook. Please make sure that you contact Ms. Lloyd or a member of the yearbook for instructions and pricing for ad.
Panthers, have you ever wanted to learn how to crochet? Heritage has a crochet club. This club is open to students and teachers. They work on projects together as a group, sharing patterns and helping other hands-on.
If you're interested in learning how to crochet, or if you're already experienced and want to help others or share ideas, the club meets from 3:45 to 5:45 every third Wednesday of the month in room 6101.
Remember, Panthers are respectful, responsible, and prepared. Go Big Blue!